Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. It's Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 2007 GT500 with 500 horsepower, 480 foot-pounds of torque. It has got it's under 30,000 miles on the car. It's a really rare color scheme. Is it ebony gray with light gray stripes?
Yes,
black
it is.
Leather interior, 6-speed Tremec, the way God intended.
Yes, 6 speeds that you shift manually.
A manual, and it's a short throw shifter, isn't it? That is so wonderful. It's got an air raid intake system.
Yes, it does.
And an MBRP exhaust.
Catback.
Catback exhaust, but yes, it's got cats for those of you living in California. So,
got the floor mats back here.
Got
Got the subwoofer still back there that Ford puts in.
Gotta love that.
Pretty good sized trunk. You could take this on road trips if you wanted to.
You could, because it still drives really nice.
I like the SVT wheels. We got Nitto tires on here.
Ooh, I love SVT
That's nice.
tires.
It's cold out today. We're gonna need all the grip we can get.
We are.
SVT there on the door sills. Interior in immaculate condition. Leather seats. You got the little switch back here so you can get into the back.
Did I mention it's supercharged?
It is supercharged. Got the snake on there too. Very nice.
Clean under here too.
6-disc CD changer.
Oh yes.
For all the people with burned CDs at home.
Oh yeah.
You can bring those with you as well.
Air raid.
Powered by SVT. Yeah, there's the air raid intake there. And it's got the name of the person who built the engine.
Oh.
Right down there. Your beautiful supercharger on top. Very cool. Yeah, I like the gray with the gray stripes.
I do too.
Looks
Shall
really
we
nice.
Start this bad boy up?
I'm excited to start it.
Let's do it.
Oh, it sounds good. See, this is a car that needed a catback exhaust. Too quiet from factory for a supercharged V8. Sounds good now though. And it's good looking. I'm one of the people that like how this generation of Mustang looks. It's a little polarizing, but I think they did a fantastic job. And with the Shelby GT500, it has the performance to match. Finally. Here's your microphone.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for putting the heat on. You preheated the car. I'm loving it. Loving it.
Well, that was a cold start, but I did have the controls set to heat already.
It's preheated as far as I'm concerned.
Very nice. Yeah, I was telling the people I like the way this generation of Mustang looks. But the NA, like the GT, they didn't have the performance to boot like this does.
This has some serious performance.
This is a Mustang.
And you know what? It's the perfect power band. 500 horse is plenty, and 480 foot-pounds of torque.
Also plenty, yeah.
That's craziness. And I like the steering in these cars because they're very, very... You feel the road. You really do. It's a great power assist. Oh, boom.
And they fixed our potholes.
Potholes are fixed.
There's our 6-speed Tremec transmission right down here. I love Tremecs.
I do too. They're good in everything they're put in.
They're notchy, but also somehow smooth and buttery at the same time.
They are nice.
They know how to do it. We have the Shaker 1000 sound system.
Oh.
You can see we have a 6-disc CD changer. So again, if you have a bunch of burned CDs at home, like my dad, you can bring them on road trips. And
trying to get your dad to buy this car?
He should buy this car, because then I could drive it. Oh, the noise. The noise
Oh, it's got a little upshift button. That's nice.
Oh, like a light?
It does.
Nice. It's still cold, so it probably wants us to upshift a little sooner.
It does.
But we have, you know, obviously AM, FM radio like you do, air conditioning. All the controls are real buttons. There's no big screen like the new Mustangs.
Don't need a screen.
Which I like. I like actual buttons that you can press.
I like gauges too. Oh, it's nice.
The handle's good around the roundabout. Yeah, it's got real gauges over there. Big RPM gauge on the right. Speedo on the left. It's got a boost gauge, oil pressure and stuff in the middle, coolant temp, that sort of thing. Very nice. It's comfy.
It's very comfy.
It's a nice big bucket seat. It holds you in though. Oh, the steering.
Under 30,000 miles on this bad boy. It's nice.
What are we at? 29 something?
736.
29, 736. Not bad. Got a little console here for storage.
Oh, we got storage.
We got 2 cup holders here that actually fit real sized cups, unlike the Corvette C4 and C5 cup holders, which they did have cup holders, but they were like the size of a bottle cap and you could barely fit anything in them. These are real American cup holders. You could put a big gulp in here.
Nice.
Not that you should, because this interior is in immaculate condition and I wouldn't want to spill anything on it.
No. This thing is 18 years old. Looks great. Well, it's soon to be 19 years old.
Soon to be. It's December 15th today.
It
Almost
is.
into 2026. Can you believe it?
I am having a hard time with it, but here we are.
Map lights work. Very
Love
nice.
it.
Headliner's nice. This one doesn't have a sunroof or anything, but it's a sports car. It's a performance car.
It is.
That would just
true
add weight.
performance car. We don't want weight.
You don't need all that. Back seats are also in really nice condition. The legroom isn't the best, but you can fit children back there probably. If you have grandkids or something you want to take out. Or just normal kids, I guess. Your own.
Or kids that are small.
But yeah, legroom isn't great. You can't really fit 4 adults comfortably in here.
You're not fitting any volleyball players in there, okay?
No.
No basketball players.
You got the nice Shelby snake on the steering wheel.
Which is cool.
A couple badges with the snake on the outside too. Pretty subtle though. It's got SVT on the wheels. You know, from far away you might just think it's a normal Mustang until you hear it, especially this one. You got the supercharger whine.
Yeah, and then that exhaust, boy.
This exhaust is nice. I think these cars are too quiet from factory. So
it was a quiet time back then. The C6s were quiet too, remember?
All the Corvettes from factory, unless you got like a Z06 or a ZR1, they were just very quiet. And they're supposed to be performance cars, muscle cars.
Oh, this one I think is that.
It is definitely that. And we're at the bean test here. We'll get past the bump on the road. Yeah.
Because that's not fixed yet. SVT says, come on, turn, shift.
I could hear the supercharger whining a little bit.
I wanted to hear it go whine, and it was nice.
It was very nice. And you weren't even really giving it the beans.
No.
The business.
The tires are still cold. It's really cold here, folks.
Yeah, it's...
I don't want to be messing it up too.
I think it's around 30 degrees right now.
Yeah, it's cold. And
so
it's windy.
Not the best weather for this car.
No, and it's not the best weather to really lay into it, because I wanted to, because it was really starting to get fun.
Ooh, yeah, there's still snow on the ground here.
Yeah, it's cold. And there's no puddles around it, so that means it's still cold.
Yes. All right, I'm going to do a couple flybys still so we can hear it, though.
Oh, it sounds good.
It does
sound mean. I like it.
It sounds very good.
I will take your microphone.
Oh, nice.
Push the bag.
All right.
All right, here he goes. Good luck. I love the SVT wheels. Oh, wow, does that sound good? Oh, snap crackle. Ah. Well, hello. He's off. Hard not to hear it. Man, that thing is great. Looks great too. Wow, that was loud. Oh, the lights work. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Well, that was loud and understated.
Yeah, it's loud and understated. It's no slouch.
No.
I can tell you that much. I wasn't giving it near full beans because of the weather. I don't think this would fully grip, but I mean, it's fast.
Oh, you can tell.
And you don't get the same level of like supercharger whine as a Hellcat, but you just get a little bit of it, but it also means you can hear the exhaust better, and I think it sounds better.
Look at that metal flake.
These Ford engines sound fantastic.
They do, especially the 5.4. It's a pretty one.
And with under 30,000 miles, it drives like brand new. It's very, very nice.
Beautiful car.
You ready to take it back?
Let's go.